Offboarding an employee can feel like navigating a minefield, but with Gusto, you can make the process smooth and compliant. Let's dive into how. First, log into your Gusto account and navigate to the People section. It's usually located on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Click on People. Find the employee you need to offboard and click on their name to access their profile. Once you're on the employee's profile, look for the Terminate Employee button. This button is typically found in the Employment section or under the Actions menu, depending on your Gusto plan. Click on Terminate Employee. Now, you'll be guided through Gusto's termination flow. Enter the employee's last day worked accurately. This is crucial for calculating their final paycheck and benefits eligibility. Next, you'll be prompted to choose how the employee will receive their final paycheck. You can choose direct deposit, manual check, or other options available within Gusto. Select your preferred method and confirm the details. Gusto will then guide you through terminating the employee's benefits, like health insurance and retirement plans. Review each benefit and follow the prompts to terminate them according to the plan's guidelines. Gusto often provides helpful links to the benefit providers for specific instructions. Finally, Gusto will help you with compliance reporting tasks, such as generating the employee's W-2 form for the year and any required state unemployment insurance filings. Follow Gusto's prompts to complete these tasks accurately. And that's it. By following these steps within Gusto, you can offboard an employee efficiently, ensure compliance, and provide a smooth transition for everyone involved.